Did you know that NASA discovered certain houseplants can remove up to 87% of air toxins in just 24 hours? That's right! Your humble potted plant could be a powerful air purifier, making your home not just more beautiful, but healthier too. Hey everyone, welcome back to Don't Do This Guide. If you're looking to spruce up your living space, boost your mood, and maybe even improve your health, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of small plants that you can easily grow at home. Whether you have a green thumb or you've struggled to keep a cactus alive, these plants are perfect for you. They're low maintenance, versatile, and bring a touch of nature indoors, which is especially beneficial if you live in a city or don't have access to a garden. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's get started on transforming your home into a green oasis. The delightful spider plant is known for its air-purifying prowess and cascading foliage. They sprout adorable baby spiderettes, little replicas of themselves. Imagine these charming plants hanging in your kitchen, filtering the air. Caring for a spider plant is a breeze. They enjoy bright, indirect sunlight near a window. Allow the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Embrace its presence and let it fill your home with positive energy. Next, we welcome the remarkable snake plant, also affectionately known as mother-in-law's tongue. This plant is practically indestructible, making it the perfect companion for those who think they have a black thumb. Its strong, sword-like leaves stand tall and proud, symbolizing resilience and adaptability. Snake plants thrive in low-light conditions, making them ideal for those darker corners of your home that other plants might shy away from. They don't need much water either, preferring their soil to completely dry out between waterings. Overwatering is their biggest foe, so err on the side of caution. Consider placing your snake plant in a decorative pot that sparks joy when you look at it. The snake plant, with its ability to thrive with minimal intervention, reminds us to embrace simplicity and find beauty in resilience. Now let's explore the captivating world of succulents, a diverse group of plants that store water in their fleshy leaves, creating fascinating shapes and textures. These miniature wonders of nature are like little sculptures, each one unique and full of personality. Imagine a collection of these charming plants on your windowsill, bathed in sunlight, their plump leaves glowing with vibrant hues. Succulents thrive in bright, direct sunlight, so a south-facing window is their ideal home. They prefer their soil to dry out completely between waterings, so be careful not to overwater them. These resilient plants are incredibly adaptable and come in a seemingly endless variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. Caring for succulents is a mindful practice in observation. Welcome these miniature wonders into your home, and let their presence inspire you to find beauty in simplicity and resilience in unexpected places. Our next plant is not only beautiful, but also boasts incredible healing properties, the aloe vera. Its fleshy, sword-like leaves hold a gel that has been used for centuries to soothe burns, cuts, and skin irritations. It's like having a natural first aid kit right on your windowsill. Aloe vera thrives in bright, indirect sunlight, similar to its cousin, the snake plant. It prefers its soil to dry out completely between waterings, so be mindful not to overwater. When you do water, water deeply, allowing the excess water to drain away. This remarkable plant is a testament to the interconnectedness of nature and our well-being. As you care for your aloe vera, take a moment to appreciate its resilience and healing power. Welcome its presence into your home and let it serve as a reminder of the healing power that exists both within us and all around us. Now let us introduce the graceful pothos, known for its trailing vines and air-purifying qualities. This plant is a true survivor, tolerating low light and irregular watering, making it an ideal companion for even the busiest individuals. Pothos thrive in bright, indirect light, but can tolerate lower light conditions, making them incredibly versatile. They prefer their soil to dry out slightly between waterings. These adaptable plants are masters of propagation. Simply snip a healthy stem just below a leaf node and place it in water. Within a few weeks, you'll have a new plant to share with friends and family, spreading the joy of plant parenthood. The pothos, with its cascading greenery and forgiving nature, reminds us that beauty can be found in unexpected places. Let's move on to the heart of the home, the kitchen, where we can cultivate a culinary symphony with fresh herbs. Imagine the aroma of basil, mint, and parsley wafting through the air, transforming your kitchen into an Italian herb garden or a Moroccan riad. Growing herbs indoors is not just about convenience. It's about infusing your life with vibrant flavors and aromas. Herbs thrive in sunny locations, so a south-facing window is their happy place. They enjoy regular watering, so keep their soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. These aromatic plants not only elevate our culinary creations, but also connect us to ancient traditions of using plants for both flavor and healing. Remember, cultivating herbs is about embracing a lifestyle that celebrates the simple pleasures of fresh ingredients, vibrant flavors, and the joy of nurturing life. Next, we welcome the elegant peace lily, a symbol of tranquility and serenity. Its graceful white spathes, often mistaken for flowers, unfurl like flags of peace, offering a sense of calm and tranquility to any space they grace. Peace lilies prefer low to medium light conditions, so avoid placing them in direct sunlight. They enjoy moist soil, so water them regularly, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. These graceful plants are quite communicative. If their leaves begin to droop, it's a sign they're thirsty. Once you water them, you'll witness their resilience as they perk back up, their leaves reaching towards the light. Remember, the peace lily is more than just a plant. It's a symbol of hope, peace, and the enduring beauty that exists even in the darkest of times. Welcome its serene presence into your home, and let it inspire you to cultivate peace within yourself and your surroundings. Welcome the lucky bamboo, a symbol of prosperity and resilience in Asian cultures. This easy-to-care-for plant brings zen and positive energy to any space. It can be grown in water or soil. Ensure the roots are always submerged in water. Thrives in bright, indirect light but tolerates lower light. More than just a plant, it's a symbol of hope and positive energy. Let us now introduce the versatile English ivy, a plant that can transform any space into a verdant tapestry of life. Its trailing vines, adorned with delicate leaves, can cascade from hanging baskets, climb trellises, or even create a lush ground cover. English ivy thrives in bright, indirect light, but can tolerate lower light conditions. It prefers moist soil, so water it regularly, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. These adaptable plants are relatively low maintenance, making them a great choice for both novice and experienced plant parents. These tenacious plants, with their ability to climb and cling, symbolize determination and adaptability. They remind us that even in challenging environments, life finds a way to flourish. Welcome its verdant presence into your home, and let it inspire you to embrace growth, adaptability, and the interconnectedness of all things. Finally, we arrive at the ZZ plant, known for its glossy leaves and air-purifying qualities. This plant is the epitome of low-maintenance elegance, tolerating low light and infrequent watering, making it the perfect companion for even the busiest individuals. ZZ plants thrive in low to medium light conditions and can tolerate even lower light levels, making them incredibly adaptable. They prefer their soil to dry out completely between waterings, so be careful not to overwater. These resilient plants are incredibly low maintenance, making them a perfect choice for those new to plant parenthood or those with busy schedules. They teach us that beauty doesn't have to be demanding and that even with minimal effort, we can cultivate a thriving relationship with nature. Remember, the ZZ plant is a reminder that simplicity and elegance can coexist. Welcome its understated elegance into your home, and let it inspire you to embrace simplicity, resilience, and the art of thriving with grace. So there you have it, 10 small plants that are not only easy to grow, but also offer a myriad of benefits. Whether you're looking to purify your air, add a decorative touch, or have fresh herbs at your disposal, there's a plant on this list for you. Remember, plants not only enhance the aesthetic of your home, but also contribute to your overall well-being by reducing stress and boosting mood. Caring for plants is a mindful practice that connects us to nature's rhythms and reminds us of the simple joys of nurturing life. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to Don't Do This Guide for more helpful tips and guides. Let us know in the comments which plant you're excited to grow or share your own plant care tips.